Ah, the smell of opportunity. What's good, my future millionaires? Welcome to the channel. They call me Mr. Moolah, and if you're tired of your wallet looking like a ghost town, you've come to the right place. Let me tell you something. Money isn't just for the lucky, the privileged, or the chosen few. It's for the ones who know how to play the game, and guess what? I'm here to teach you the rules. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who is this guy, and why should I listen to him? Fair question. Let me break it down for you. I'm not some Wall Street hotshot or a trust fund baby. I didn't grow up with a silver spoon in my mouth. I started from the bottom, like ramen noodles for dinner every night. Bottom. I figured out how to turn my financial life around. And now, let's just say I've got more commas in my bank account than most people have in their sentences. This channel isn't just about making money, it's about building wealth. There's a difference. Making money is temporary. Building wealth, that's generational. That's real freedom. And I'm here to show you how to do it step by step. No fluff, no boring lectures, just real talk and actionable strategies that actually work. Here's what you can expect from this channel. We're going to cover everything from investments to passive income streams, from cryptocurrency to real estate, and even the mindset you need to win this game. Because let me tell you something, if your mind isn't right, your money won't be either. You can have all the tools in the world, but if you don't know how to use them, you're just spinning your wheels. Let me share a quick story. A few years ago, I was drowning in debt. Credit cards maxed out, no savings, no plan. I was working a dead-end job, and every time I got paid, the money was gone before I could even enjoy it. But then I made a choice. I decided to stop being a victim of my circumstances and start being the architect of my future. I studied, I hustled, I invested, and now I'm living proof that it's possible to turn your life around. Here's the rub. Financial freedom isn't just about having money, it's about having options. It's about waking up every day and doing what you want, not what you have to. It's about creating a life where you call the shots. And that's exactly what I'm going to help you do. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, hit that subscribe button right now, give this video a like, and drop a comment below telling me what financial freedom means to you. And trust me, this is just the beginning. In the next video, we're diving into the mindset of wealth, how to think like a millionaire, because before you can build wealth, you've got to think like the wealthy. Let's get that bag, my future millionaires. Mr. Moolah will see you later unless you see him first.